Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diane and today I am happy to launch something special, the Magnify Your Hair Otherwise Challenge. For years now, the Afro community has lost the techniques and ways to take care of their natural hair. Generations after generations, the wrong methods have been transmitted. From trauma to trauma, it has become normal to maltreat our hair. Today, the new generation is trying to do things differently. Through challenges, people propose different solutions to magnify the Afro hair. But till today, I have not seen in none of those challenges one that is a long-term solution. Today, I decided to address a point that many avoid or are not even aware of: the mental and emotional relationship that we have with our hair. What most of us ignore is that all these remarks that we receive about the Afro hair does not grow, the Afro hair is not beautiful, the Afro hair is difficult to comb, the Afro hair is not presentable. All these remarks have shaped the way we see our hair and the way we take care of our hair. If we do not heal from the trauma of the wrong manipulation that we were taught, we are going to pass that same trauma on to our kids and thus continue the cycle of not taking good care of our hair, transmitting the wrong techniques, and continue to make others feel or make our kids feel that it is true that the Afro hair is not beautiful, it is not presentable, it is difficult to comb, it is untamable. This challenge, Magnify Your Hair Otherwise, is a means for me to empower every woman out there with Afro hair to stand for an everlasting change, a change that when you make it today, the results last forever. We will deconstruct all the wrong information that we have about our hair and relearn the good techniques of manipulation to enhance unlimited growth. How are we going to do this? Well, the challenge, I designed it with four very powerful exercises that will permit us to achieve this goal. The first exercise will consist of putting order in our environment. We will start by organizing our surrounding, our environment, to free up space in our mind so that we are more present during the next exercises. Because you can't heal mentally or emotionally if you live in a cluttered environment. Next, this is the second and probably the most important exercise for this challenge. It is that we are going to forgive ourselves. We are going to forgive ourselves for all those things that we have accepted and allowed people or ourselves to shape the way we see the Afro hair. We are going to forgive ourselves from all those negative remarks that surrounds the Afro hair and in which we grow. We are going to forgive ourselves for all that so that we can put in our minds the new programming of the positive things, of all the positive things about our natural hair, to be able to achieve our goals in serenity. For the third exercise, we are simply for the third exercise, we are simply going to set our goals and set achievable goals. For the fourth and last exercise, we are going to re-educate ourselves. We are going to question everything that we have learned about the Afro hair. When I say everything, I mean everything. We are going to question all of that we have received about our hair, so that when doing anything, when posing any action on our hair, we know exactly what we are looking for while we are doing this, or while we are not doing the other things. So we are going to have to learn to first unlearn all that we have accumulated all these past centuries, years, relearn the new things that are more adequate, that are more appropriate for our hair and the new environment in which we find ourselves. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss a single day of the challenge. I can't wait to see your amazing results. Let's magnify our hair together. See you in the next video for the first exercise. Bye.